What's up, guys? So, just a fun little project. I've got this vintage Nylint boat motor. It is a functional motor. I found the antique store on the way back from Kentucky. It was actually in Kentucky. And they had a bunch of those, and they're typically very expensive. Like the one I have on my rat rod boat, it was pretty expensive, and it was the cheapest of the real vintage ones from the 60s. But I thought it'd be cool, neat addition to the scale garage. I've always wanted to collect those vintage boat motors, but man, they're expensive. The old Mercury ones and the ones with the green with the wings and stuff, those things can bring thousands of dollars. They're highly collectible and out of my budget. So got one from my childhood. I think I only paid like $30 for this, and it seems like it's in good working order. It's real mint condition. But I wanted to build a stand, and you can buy some stands on eBay for those. And most of them are metal, but looking through photos, you see the ones that the average Joe made himself. So I thought that'd be fun. I've got a lot of this stained wood left over from building these scale garages. So just threw that together with some scale hardware. I mean, we had some damage, messed up in a couple spots, but I like it. It's got character, fits in the theme of the shop, and it's a cool place to put these motors. So hopefully maybe we can get us a more vintage one to put on there eventually, but in the meantime, we'll just leave this little 3-liter up there. Not sure what scale those are. It's probably a little small for Bob, but just looking at it in the shop, it kind of fits pretty good, I think. Good enough, but anyways, just, yeah, bored, making little projects. Needing to do more stuff with this scale garage since, it's going to be a little bit before we ever get back to the big shop. I'm trying to make it feel like home. But I'm going to wrap it up, guys. Just a fun little thing. Nothing complicated. Get out there and try some stuff. Make some scale stuff happen. However that works with your setup and your scale shop and your scale rigs. But keep it scale. I'll see y'all in the next video.